All right, so the trade is I get all these cards. He gets Moonbreon. If he wins, I give him 800 on top. If he doesn't win, he gets 0 on top. I'm interested in Lugia Altart. Lugia, Machamp, and then the Leafeon, the Charizard, and the Espeon. And the 151 set. Is that sequential?
Sequential.
And I like those. Is it okay if I check comps on a couple of these cards?
Oh, yeah.
Is that okay? Would you want an English Umbreon VMAX 10 in trade?
Hell yeah.
You would want one? I have one I can trade if you want. It lasts, I think it's 3,100 is last sold.
31?
Yeah. Machamp I'm seeing around 270 market. Could I see the Espeon and the Zard and the Leafeon so I could comp them? Thank you, sir. Lugia is 620. I don't know if you have that on Lugia. Market is 620 on Lugia. Okay. So these are the market values if you're comfortable with these. This is 160, Espeon. Leafeon is 130, and Charizard is 150. And Machamp was 270, and Lugia is 620. These 5 cards, the market is 1330 on those 5. And then, I'm not sure what you value the sequential set, the Venusaur, with the Ivysaur and Bulbasaur. Rosa's like 400. I'm interested in Rosa too. Here, I'll put these back. Do you want me to put them here, the cards that I'm interested in? I like this, and Rosa. I'm at 1730 there. Market on that stack. What's Venusaur, like $80, $90? And those are probably what, like 40 bucks each, 35, 40 bucks? I think the set's probably like 150 to 160 is what my guess is, but 160 is fair. I'm fine with that if you just want to add it to the stack. So market would be $18.90 on that whole thing. Yeah. If you want, I can show you how I added every single card again if you want.
Oh, no, dude. I was keeping track too. I was looking at eBay last
Okay.
time. And most of them, you were only off by like 10. So
Yeah. So market's $18.90 on that stuff. I think that's basically all I would want. Do you want, how much, or you don't have any other slabs, right? That's all you have?
Literally all I have, yeah.
How much would you, if I gave you a Moonbreon, how much would you throw me on top? So market-wise, there's a there's a $1,200 difference market. What do you want to be? I know some vendors want to be lower, but the market's kind of crazy, so up to you.
Could you do like BS3, like the last solds? Like how these were last solds?
But what percent would you want to be at, like in terms of trade?
Trade. Because it's a higher card, I usually do 80 for the higher ones, but I'll go like 85 because it's one of them are.
I'm at like $18.90 there. If I took 31, what's the cheapest Moonbreon on eBay right now? Is it 3K or 31?
3K.
The cheapest one on eBay?
Oh, for not being sold is like
31. Okay.
Last sold is
3.
$5 off of 3.
If I gave you a Moonbreon, I'd want slightly more than that. 85 would be at $25.50. Realistically, I think if I auction my Moonbreon through, I don't know if you know ZNG, I think I get like close to 2,900. I think as a vendor, you could probably get close to 28 for that. Because it's a Umbreon VMAX, I don't know. It's risky, it could go down, it could also go up, so I don't know. It could be 2K next week, it could be 5K next week. This market's crazy.
Oh,
I'm only doing it because I have a lot.
Well, that and I strictly collect books, so like.
That's the holy grail, apart from Latios.
Every single show I've had for this past 6 months, I've had to take off prices because they just go up.
Yeah, like same day they'll go up like 10%. I would do, okay.
What percentage at least do you want your Moonbreon? So you know, like if you do trade, because I mean.
My offer on that stack, I'd offer you 1,600, or if I gave you Umbreon VMAX.
I am bringing more stuff tomorrow.
I'll be back tomorrow too.
I didn't have time to just fill everything.
That's fine.
So I bought like stacks that I got to go through over there. So.
Are those your slabs too?
Yeah.
Are there similar stuff to that or no?
There's like here and there, but I got to go through it. But I just bought like bundles from people.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you do me at stacks worth close to 18.90. I want to be at like 16 cash on that. But he said he'd take a Moonbreon. But he wants to be at 85% trade at Moonbreon, and I think I can get like 90% cash on it. That's realistic. I could probably get 28, 29 cash.
Realistically, the Moonbreon would sell way quicker. You could put it. I could put it out.
That's what I'm saying. And it's like you could sell it over 90% quick. That's what I'm saying. It's like a good deal for you too.
Yeah.
So I'd want to be a little bit higher than 85%.
So that's why I said, what do you want to be at for at least the Moonbreon to go? You know, it's different when you come to the really big ones because 10% is way bigger.
Yeah, it's like a poncho almost.
Yeah, exactly.
Like no one really like goes down 10% on a Poncho Mario. Can you give me 1,200 cash plus those for my Moonbreon? Is that too much?
Yeah.
What would your number be at? Comes with a guard too, a brand new guard, so you can literally take that little plastic off. Okay, let me be fair with you.
And I'm okay to like move my slabs because I have 40 more coming in like a couple weeks. So.
Can you do 1,100 cash? I think that's fair. If you give me 1,100 cash, that's basically I'm selling you my Moonbreon for like 2,700 right now.
I'm like nowhere near that. I spent so much today.
Oh, cash?
Yeah.
Well,
today was just buying for me, and tomorrow just unloading. So.
Do you have Zelle?
No, it just came out. I mean, just Venmo.
Are you iPhone? Your iPhone?
Yeah.
Apple Cash?
I don't.
No. Can you PayPal him? The 11? He'll just send it to me.
Well, I probably can't do the close to the 3.
What number would you want to be at?
Because I still need to take a percentage just so I can.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because if you gave me 800 and I give you like 16 on that, basically you're getting a Moonbreon for 24.
No, yeah, that's why.
I'm getting cooked.
I have to do the percentage either way, so I have to do some kind of percentage. I can't do it straight. If I did straight, it would be. I like the Moonbreon only because I'm going up to like Card Party and all the other ones, but these for me here, they just move. They would sell like I could put them out and they would be gone. So.
You want to flip 900 or a K?
Well, I don't even have that right now because I spent so much today. I spent
No,
like,
PayPal.
No, yeah, I unloaded everything on slabs.
Oh, you bought, you're saying?
Yeah, I just bought today. So
Okay.
I wasn't really like, I did some selling, but it was more just bringing in.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. So if you come back tomorrow, that's why I didn't sell as much, but I did more buying today.
Do you want to do 16 on that stack? Do you want me to look at the stack? I might have some stuff in the stack.
Huh?
He has like slabs there that I can look at real quick.
They're not 10s though. I mainly
Got
bought
it.
9s for walls.
I like this. Anything I like, I'll put. I like this.
And then these are like just the super shitty stuff.
Yeah, I'm good on those. Pheasantipity. Hydrapple, Cresselia. These are floors. You want to flip, you want to do a coin flip? Small flip?
I do, but I don't want to do a percentage. Only because I've been selling these like hotcakes right now.
So what's your best on that stack? Market's $2,000. So you want like 18? Yeah, slightly over 18? I was going to say 17 or 18 flip.
I couldn't do that.
No?
Yeah.
What would you offer for Moonbreon? Well, you can't buy it though.
Yeah, that's why I would love to. I would fucking be down.
So you want?
It's a little high.
Would you just do 18 flat? 90%? Or do you want to flip 1750, 1850? Same middle point.
What was the full market price?
2K. Basically 90%. So 1800 middle point and then 1750, 1850 swing. $50 up or down.
Okay, do like 93%. It's only because I know these cards are still going up, so I would rather.
I'll do you at 92.5. So I'd do 18 or 1850 flip to make it easy for you. Fair? All right.
That's fair.
Can I see the cards real quick?
Yeah, no.
What was your name again?
Micah.
Micah? All right, so we're picking up Zapdos, Sequential, Venusaur, Bulbasaur, and Ivysaur set. Rosa from Cosmic Eclipse. It's a nice pickup. Market's like 400. I think it's undervalued. Machamp at 270 is still low for all the alts. Lugia at 620. This I valued at like 160. I think it'll go over 200 soon. This is 150, which is kind of stupid in my opinion. Undervalued. And this is like 130. Market was around $2,000. We're gonna flip 1800 or 1850. I have a coin. You want to use that coin? Doesn't matter. Yeah, that's fine. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
I guess I'll flip.
You throw, I call? All right, 1800, 1850, Micah. Good luck. Tails. Tails, tails, tails. That is heads. 1850, brother. I appreciate you. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Are you cool with PayPal? Friends and family? Is that okay with you?
Do you guys sell?
I could try, yes.
Only thing is I got an LLC too, so it's gonna charge me. I'm gonna get tax regardless.
On PayPal, you mean? Yeah. I think that's at like 190 or 200, something like that. What's Squirtle?
Stellar Crown, 10?
What?
Oh, 151 Squirtle, 10, you want it? Or
How much is that?
It's like 200.
Sure. Sure.
I'll get it.
Is there anything else that was good? Let me look over there real quick.
Yeah.
He has an English Latias 10.
But he's not.
It's like 3.5, 4 grand. I don't need that card right now. Okay.
You don't need it, but you want it, I bet.
With TikTok getting banned next week, I don't know.
Hey, we're not gonna put that in the air, bro. We don't need that to happen.
I hope it doesn't happen, right?
I hope it doesn't happen either. So you were right. Charizard's like right at 200.
That comes from like 180 to 230.
Call it like 220.
Sure.
220.
That's fine.
That was a little bit higher though. That was like 600.
On this?
Yeah.
Ray.
That's a one. I feel you, but you know it's probably not gonna go down from there.
Yeah.
When you're 300.
Let me see, 1 sec. Yeah, sure. Market 3, market 220, market 190. Let me check this. Squirtle, yep, that's dead on. 225 is cool. What do you want to be on this?
The last two were 350.
Yeah.
I probably have to put it like right. It is what it is though. You know, it's
I know.
pretty cool. That'll go great in one of your bags, dog. You know it will.
It's a cool card. I like it. Sure.
350.
Yeah. Let me just check this.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
this, like $100?
Something like 120.
I like the reverse stamps. They're
I
nice.
do too, bro. I had a bunch of them. I had the Whismer, I had the Torchic, I had the Mudkip, all of them.
Nice.
The only one, the Rayquaza 9. That was the only shitty one.
That was the hard one. I have a bunch of Delta species reverses and Deoxys and Legend Maker.
Nice.
I like those reverse holos a lot.
I did Emeralds, pretty much every EX era, all the reverses. Like I graded most of them.
Damn.
Crystal Guardian, Blastoise got a 10.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I got a Swampert, Crystal Guardian's reverse in a 10. Like a couple cool ones.
Those are nice ones. I like the Blastoise a lot.
Yeah, that sold instantly.
Wow.
It was like pop 17. That was like 550. It's up there.
Yeah. What is that one in your hand? That one's, I don't know if I want Whisper, to be honest.
Yeah. I put it in there cheap if you wanted it. Last solds were 95, 105, and 80. I'd give you the 80.
Market?
Yeah.
Sure.
I've had it forever. You can have it, bro.
I don't really need this card that
on
much.
point, right? With this
Yeah, that was good.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect.
I don't really need this that bad. Depends what you want to be at on the lot. What's market on these across the board? Shining Face Charizard at 190.
Yep.
Red was at 220.
Yep. We did
Ray was 300.
Yep. 225.
225 is correct.
We did 350 on the reverse. And then I'll
80.
in for 80.
So 1365 market here.
Yep. And I've seen your videos, bro. Don't let me down. I heard about you.
If you throw this in, I'll do Zell for you. You want to flip? I'll flip you 16 or 17.
You want to add this one?
Yeah, with this in 16 or 17 flip.
I'll do it, but I do content too. You mind if I?
Yeah, no, of course. 16, 17, cool?
16, 17, yeah. I got you.
All right, let me show the camera real quick. All right, Ash, get it. We got Megazard, we got Whismer, we got Reverse Zard from Power Keepers, we got 151 English Squirtle, Rayquaza, also from Evolving Skies, Shiny Zard VMAX, and a Res Challenge. Market's close to 19, we're flipping 1600 or 1700. You throw a call?
Yes, sir.
On the ground?
I got you.
All right, let's go. Here we go. Tails. What's that look like? Golden balls!
Let's go, my man.
All right,
Appreciate you.
1600, brother. All right, so add these up. Pikachu, we said 300, right?
300.
So 300 value on this Pikachu. This is Japanese exclusive?
Yes.
I think, I don't know. Dark Celebi Hollow from Hidden Legends. We valued this at
300.
300 as well. Blastoise Reverse Hollow from Crystal Guardians. This card's dope. This one we're gonna say
400.
400, yeah. How do you think this out? The Terapagos from Stellar Crown?
Sure.
Yeah, Stellar Crown. You're like, whatever, I don't know, I don't do Pokemon no more. 250 on the Stellar Crown Terrapagos.
I'm new. 250.
Yeah.
Next.
Venusaur, what was it?
250.
I think so, yeah.
Because I said 260.
Yeah. Venusaur Crystal Guardians, undervalued, 250 on this card. We got a swirly base set Blastoise for 750. I gave you 750 comps on that. 500 on this Japanese Plasma Gale Blastoise Shiny. And then last but not least,
Throw them out.
we have the legendary Alola Friends that I got 2 years ago here in a PSA 10, but we're not gonna talk about that.
That's great.
This is about $1,000 right now in a PSA 9, so. All right, total stickers, 3750.
Yes, sir.
3750.
Yes,
You
sir.
said you would take a Moonbreon, so how much cash you want on top?
What do you give me the Moonbreon at?
Market's 3 to 3-1, so you tell me.
Double check.
The thing is, you can get a fucking higher percent on that Moonbreon than this shit, and you know that.
I don't know that.
What do you mean?
You don't think everybody's scared?
You can get 2.8 from Moonbreon all day. That's like 90%. I mean, would you rather have this or a Moonbreon 10? TBH.
That's fine. All right. So you're gonna give me the difference in cash?
No. You want fucking 700 cash? 100. You want 100% cash on top?
Okay. So what's your offer?
Okay, so if I paid you on this shit,
Sure.
32, I think that's fair. Because some of it's good, some of it's dog shit. Like this is dog shit. This is niche. This is niche. This is like a 9 niche. Like they're basically all niche cards.
Yeah. These are nice.
They're all niche. They're nice, but they're still like vintage niche. So there's no like S tier liquid card here. So I think 85 was fair. 3,200 is what I'd do. I think you can get 28 for that. So I'll throw you 400 on top.
Want to flip?
Sure.
4, 6.
3 or 5. 300 or 500 coin flip. And you get the graded guard.
They're up now, apparently. Bro, I sold one that ass today for $50.
Regular one?
It was rainbow.
300 or 500? Or 350, 450?
3 or 7.
Fuck no.
450 is the mid.
No. I said 350 or 450. 400 middle. If you don't understand what we're doing, I have an Umbreon VMAX 10. I have too many of these, so I'm trying to trade it out. It's a win-win situation. I'm getting some not so liquid cards, quote unquote. He's getting a really liquid card. It is, they're
0
all.
or 1,000.
No.
0 or 1,000.
I'll do 0 or 800. That's middle point. I'll do 0 or 800. That's what I have to give you. Fuck it. You want to do a free or 800? I'll do it.
Where's your coin?
Coin right here.
Where's your coin?
Oh, I didn't bring it.
Who's flipping? Who's calling?
You can throw I call. Or we can just be like regular.
I'll flip it, you call.
You want to be regular?
0 or 8?
You want to do 0 or 8? $800 coin flip inbound.
Straight trade or? That's crazy.
All right, so the trade is I get all these cards. He gets Moonbreon. If he wins, I give him 800 on top. If he doesn't win, he gets 0 on top.
Pray for me.
You throw, I call.
Coin flip of 2025 to start off the year. Come on now.
Hold on. All right, if you win, I'll give you 800. If you lose, I get even trade for the Moonbreon.
Damn.
On the ground or on the table?
Why are we, wherever it lands?
Are you sure you don't want to do 300 or 500?
Are you?
Or 200 or 600? You want to do free or 800? Up to you. I'm fine with free or 800, but up to you.
2 or 6? 2 or 6.
200 or 600? Are you sure?
That's fine.
You sure?
I get something.
He feels he's gonna lose. He wants.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. What do you want to do? We already shook. 0 8.
Fuck it. 0 or 8. On the ground. On the ground.
On the ground.
You throw. I call.
Go.
Tails. It's tails. Come here.
You got cooked.
Free even trade, baby. Say it with me. Golden ball.
Isn't that card going down at 2K next week?
Holy shit! I just cooked them for 800. Hey, give me a hug. Hey, you got a Moonbreon. Hey, watch that card be worth 4K next month. Then you might print.